If you were to lose all your income now, how many years can you survive? 1 year? 2 years? Or 2 days? Madam Contest Chair, astute judges, fabulous Toastmasters. When I just came out on 2004, I was full of energy and ready to take on the whole world. To me, everything came. Zealously, I joined a direct selling company to earn some side income. You know the style of direct selling people? Some of them drive luxurious cars, eat expensive meals, carry branded accessories, including their underwear. Aspiring to be in that class, I groomed myself to be like them too. I live in a lush and lavish lifestyle like a super successful tycoon, splurging and using my meager income like non-stop running water. I ended up with 4 credit cards, all busted over a total credit limit of 28,000, while I was only making 3,000 plus per month. And every month, I was hunted and hounded by banks and loan sharks. My life became horribly bad. Go out, I carry LV. Back home, I eat Maggie. At the age of 28, I envied my peers who were financially very comfortable. They had big piles of contingency funds and fixed deposits, while I have bigger piles of credit card statements and bigger bunch of loan sharks chasing after me. And I knew I had to stop it immediately. Otherwise, no one would want to marry me. Later, I became an entrepreneur, not craving for a rich life this time. I used to live in my own comfort zone. And that year, I went for a 3 weeks backpacking holiday in Taiwan. I had a great time. And again, I spent all my money to boost that country's economy and show off our Malaysians' glory and generosity. When I came back to my office, fully recharged and ready to start my working turbo engine, clap, clap, I opened the door. My office was broken in and completely ransacked. All my office equipment was gone. I picked up the scattered, tossed and tossed papers and stationeries. All my investment crumbled before my eyes. A wise man told me this: if you make a mistake for the first time, you are innocent. If you do it for the second time, you are careless. However, if you repeat the same mistake for the third time, you are a moron. It is really painful to bang my head against the wall twice because I did not save for my rainy days. And worse still, it never even occurred to me that the rainstorm can come anytime. And I don't want to be a moron ever again. I conscientiously turned off my water tap and stopped spending like Datin Sri Rosma. I was determined to follow closely 3 golden rules in prudent spending. Number 1, in Rich Dad Poor Dad, Robert Kiyosaki said, pay yourself first. Every month, I settle my bills on time and live life prudently with my leftover income. Number 2, wear a a hat which fits your head. Branded underwear? Luxurious accessories? No, no. I learned to only spend on my needs, not on my whims and fancies. Number 3, stop abusing credit cards. The credit card is an angel at the front, but a devil at the back. Use them wisely. And in fact, we should use the money which we have, not the money which we think we will have. Finally, now I have settled all my debts and managed to recover from my financial crisis. Throughout the years, not only did I realize the importance of saving for a rainy day, I also understood that we should not put all our eggs into one basket. Now, I'm wearing 3 hats. I am an entrepreneur in the IT industry. I am an event MC. And I am also running my own online business. All these 3 hats fit into my beautiful hat perfectly. Ladies and gentlemen, save for your rainy days. Let us embrace this wisdom. Let us prepare and equip ourselves to stand strong and welcome the rain and storm and enjoy the rainbow thereafter. Because life is not about waiting for the rain to pass. It is about dancing and flourishing in the rain. Back to you.